Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the size potion in Plant vs Brainrot game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just obtained this size potion item from the admin abuse event, and I'm going to show you how you can use this item. If you select the size potion, it will say seeds planted have increased odds to be bigger. So basically it can help you to grow bigger plant, and you need to apply it on the seed that you have planted. And I'm going to plant one of my seeds. Wait guys, let me choose my my seed. Okay, I'm going to plant this King Lemonina seed, and I have already planted my King Lemonina, and I'm going to apply it there. Okay, and I hope that it can grow bigger. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the size potion in Plant vs Brainrot game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!